Hello friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this tutorial, we will discuss about the group management in SAP BO environment. So the groups are the collections of users who can share the same account privileges. Therefore, you may create the groups that are based on department, role or location. So groups will enable you to change the rights for the users in one place instead of modifying the rights for each user account individually. You can assign the object rights to a group or groups. So in the groups and the user area, you can create the groups that give a number of people access to the report or the folder. It will enable you to make the changes in one place instead of modifying each user account individually. You may also view the several default group accounts summarized by the default group accounts. After that, you view the available groups in the CMC. You have to go to the group list in the tree panel. So let's see how we can check the groups in the CMC. So this is my CMC homepage and here I am under the users and the groups area. So here we have first is the user list and then we have the group list. So if I go to the group list here, so I can see that I have the different groups which are available in my system. So I can see that I have the group name, then the group type, then the description, date modified and the tenant. So I can see that the administrators group is the group of users who can administrate the system. Similarly, we have the other groups here, and if we want to check the users in the group, we can right click and click the member of. And if we go here, then go to the user security. So here you can see that we have this is the security which is assigned to this group, administrator and the everyone. After that, you just close it. And if we go here and click on the administrators, I will be able to see the group of users here. So these are all the users who are the part of the administrator's account. Similarly, we can click on any group here to see which all users are the part of the different groups in the system. So we can add the multiple users to a group and also we can assign multiple groups to a user. So in this tutorial, we have discussed about the group management in the BO platform. Thank you.